Pre-spinach does not behave like spinach. It grows taller, tougher, and more resilient. And nutritionally, it plays in a different league. Pre-spinach is commonly known as Chaya. Its scientific name is Nidoscalus aconitaefolius. It belongs to the spurge family, which already signals something important. This is not a casual leafy green. It demands understanding. Unlike soft salad greens, tree spinach grows as a perennial shrub. In tropical and subtropical regions, it can reach several meters in height. Thick stems, large palmate leaves, and rapid regrowth define it. Once established, it produces continuously. Historically, Chaya was domesticated by the Maya civilization. Long before modern nutrition science, indigenous cultures recognized its power. It became a staple survival green in regions where soil quality was poor and heat was extreme. Pre-spinach thrives where many crops fail. Drought-resistant, pest-resistant, and heat-tolerant, it is a model of agricultural efficiency. This resilience is one reason it never spread widely into temperate Western agriculture. It does not fit industrial salad systems. Flavor-wise, raw tree spinach is not edible. This is critical. Raw leaves contain toxic cyanogenic glycosides. When consumed uncooked, they can cause serious harm. Cooking is not optional. It is mandatory. Once cooked properly, the story changes completely. Boiled or sautéed, tree spinach becomes mild, earthy, and spinach-like, but deeper. Slightly nutty, with a dense, satisfying mouthfeel. The bitterness disappears. The toxins break down. Texture after cooking is firm but tender. The leaves hold structure better than spinach. This makes them ideal for stews, soups, and long-simmered dishes. Culinarily, Chaya is used much like collard greens or kale. It is chopped, cooked thoroughly, and incorporated into eggs, beans, rice dishes, and broths. In Yucatan cuisine, it appears in traditional preparations with corn and legumes. Nutritionally, tree spinach is extraordinary. It contains significantly higher levels of protein than most leafy greens. It is rich in iron, calcium, potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C, and folate. Gram for gram, it outperforms spinach in several categories once cooked. Calcium content makes it valuable in regions with limited dairy access. Iron supports blood health. Vitamin A contributes to vision and immune function. Vitamin C aids absorption and cellular repair. Unlike trendy superfoods, Chaya earned its status through survival. It fed communities for centuries without marketing. Another overlooked advantage is yield. A single mature Chaya plant can produce kilograms of leaves per year with minimal input. No fertilizers, no irrigation systems, just sun and soil. This efficiency makes tree spinach increasingly relevant in discussions about food security and climate adaptation. However, misunderstandings persist. The presence of natural toxins caused fear and misinformation. In reality, many common foods require processing. Cassava, beans, and even potatoes contain toxins when raw. Chaya is no different. The rule is simple: never eat raw. Cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Do not use aluminum cookware, as chemical reactions may occur. Use stainless steel or ceramic. Once cooked, tree spinach is safe, nourishing, and versatile. Visually, tree spinach leaves are large, deep green, and textured. They communicate strength rather than delicacy. This visual language aligns with the nutritional density. Culturally, Chaya represents local knowledge. It reflects how traditional societies adapted plants to environment rather than forcing environment to serve plants. In modern wellness culture, tree spinach remains largely unknown. It does not fit influencer diets. It cannot be eaten raw. It requires cooking. It demands patience, but it delivers substance. Tree spinach is not a garnish. It is not a trend. It is infrastructure. It feeds bodies quietly and consistently. It proves that real nutrition often grows outside global attention.